Hi, I'm Melissa Etter, one of the Amarillo College librarians. In this video, I'll show you how to access the library's databases. You can do this from anywhere, anytime, as long as you have an internet connection. The best web browsers to use are Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome. You can use others, but Firefox and Chrome are much more reliable, not only with our databases, but also with Blackboard. And since they're both free, I highly recommend downloading them onto your device. Here's Amarillo College's homepage. If you don't already know how to get here, just Google Amarillo College and it should be the first link. In the top menu, you'll see AC Connect. Click it and then select Blackboard on the bottom left of the page. Log in with your usual username and password and now you're in Blackboard. There is one other way to get into Blackboard, and that's to go there directly using what's called the back door. Rather than going through AC Connect, simply type in the URL actx.blackboard.com and it takes you right to this login page. This is good for you to remember because sometimes Amarillo College's website goes down and you won't be able to get into AC Connect, but you should still be able to log directly into Blackboard to access your classes. If you aren't able to log in either of these two ways that I just showed you, please contact the help desk at 806-371-5992. Once you're in Blackboard, you'll see Library listed in the top menu. When you click it, you'll be on our databases page. All of our contact information is over here in the left column, including this chat box. You can type in questions in this space right here. Either one of us in the AC Library will answer you, or if it's after hours, a professional librarian somewhere in the US will answer. We pay a service to staff this chat box, even as late as 2 a.m. They have access to all of our databases and should be able to answer most questions. If not, they'll refer questions to us. If this chat box isn't being manned, you can send us an email and one of us will get back to you as soon as we can. We feature the most popular databases here in the middle column. This first one, Academic Search Complete, is good to use for any and every research project. It's our largest database and covers every subject, at least somewhat. But depending on the topic you're researching and what class you're taking, you might need to access one of our subject-specific databases, which you can find over here. Don't forget that these are here. While Academic Search Complete is great, it might not provide the most comprehensive coverage of your topic. For each one of these subjects, you'll see that there are several more databases listed. Each one has a short description of what is featured in this database. You can also ask a librarian for suggestions on which might be the best database to use for your topic. For your horticulture agronomy class, the best databases for you to use are in the science and technology grouping. By the way, there's a LibGuide, an online guide that the library has prepared for horticulture agronomy classes. Just type in the URL actx.libguides.com/hort. Then click on the tab for the library database links. All of these links work the same way as what you saw listed on our database page. I'll select Agricola. This would be the first database I'd try for most horticulture subjects. You'll have to log in using your AC username and password, what you use to log into Blackboard. AC pays for these high-quality databases, so you have to prove that you're affiliated with our school. That's it for this video, but please watch my next tutorial, Searching in the Agricola Database, for a quick walkthrough of conducting research using this resource.